In this video, you will learn about Exely Reputation Manager settings. To change the settings, go to Reputation Manager, Settings. Exely Reputation Manager shows reviews collected for any time by default. You can set the review collection period. Select the last 18 months option if needed. This way, reviews left before this period will not affect a hotel rating in the widget. In the Post Reviews on a Website settings, you can select a mode for review posting. Select Manual to choose reviews for posting, and Automatic to have new reviews posted on a website automatically. The Show a Review Source as a text instead of a link setting defines how a review source is displayed in the widget: a source name only, or a name with a link to a review source. We recommend that you display a source name without a link. It reduces the chances that a guest accidentally leaves a hotel website for a review website. Tick the Show flag of the review language on the website box to display a review language on a website. In the Send Email Notification settings, enter an email to which notifications should be sent. Select how often you want to receive notifications: once a day or once a week, and a suitable time. Select if you want to be notified of rating up, rating down, or reviews rated lower of a certain value. Only you decide which rating is considered negative. This is how you do Exely Reputation settings. If you have extra questions, feel free to contact us. You can find our contact details in the lower left corner of your extranet, or you may also use our knowledge base.